Hello semua, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, and if you are following me on Instagram, you know that for the moment I'm really into recipes, and on the weekend, what I'm doing is preparing the meals for the week. So this is what I will do on this video, starting with this baking oats with plum. You will see that it's really a fast recipe. The beginning of the recipe wasn't filmed, unfortunately, but it was really easy. Basically, I just mixed oatmeal with white egg and a bit of strawberry jam just to sweeten a bit, and then I put it on the air fryer during more or less 8 minutes, and I accompanied it with a plum. Don't worry, I will put all the measures on the link down below. For me, preparing meals in advance isn't just about saving time, it was a game changer. It's about investing in your well-being. When you take a moment to just plan and prepare wholesome meals ahead of time, you are not only ensuring convenience during busy days, but also prioritizing your health. Moving on to the second recipe, the carrot donuts. So first of all, you will start to chop the carrots in small pieces. I don't know you, but I really like vegetables that are really versatile, like carrots. You can make not only salty dishes, but also, like in this case, sweet ones. I added then the eggs on the carrots and also some Greek yogurt just to have this fluffy texture at the end. You can of course choose the yogurt that you wish. I personally choose the Greek yogurt because of its high level of protein, and then I added the oat flours to the mixture and of course a little bit of baking powder. Give it a good mix and then just pour it on the mold. On my side I had this donuts mold, but you can put it on the mold that you have. It doesn't make any difference. You put it then on the air fryer more or less during 15 minutes, also at 180 degrees more or less. And that's it. Enjoy it with a little bit of peanut butter, and I put it also with a mix of seeds. Now let's prepare some main dishes with this zucchini brioche. Zucchini, we are in the season right now of this vegetable, and you will see that this recipe as well is really easy and really fast to make. Just start to cut into thin strips using a peeler, and then add 2 eggs. Stir both ingredients until well combined, and then we will add the flour. Here it's the normal flour, but you can add the flour that you like if you are intolerant of gluten, for example. This recipe works with all kind of flours. And then I just add a bit of cheese. Here also you can add grated cheese if you prefer, mozzarella. Everything will work fine. Then put it on the air fryer, also at more or less 180-175 degrees for more or less 15 minutes. And we will move on already to the last recipe of this video with the stuffed bell pepper with TVP. So if you don't know TVP, it's texture vegetable protein. It contains 50 grams of protein per 100 grams, so it's a really nice ingredient. It's really important to rehydrate the TVP before using, so just by putting some hot water. We will start to prepare a kind of stew by mixturing onions with carrots and tomato paste together, and then just add the rehydrated TVP into the mixture. Then let it cook for a while, and meanwhile what we will do is to prepare the bell pepper, and we will start by removing the pepper seeds. And then it's really easy. In the beginning I didn't lie to you when I told you that all the recipes will be easy. So after this you just need to fill the bell pepper with the preparation, and just put on the top also some grated cheese, and then it's ready to go to the air fryer, also at the same degree than the other recipe, 180 degree, and it's gonna be just a little bit longer, more or less 20 minutes, until the cheese is melted. And just as a bonus, at the end I just prepared some snack if I'm hungry during the week and having some craving. It allows you to just stick to dietary goals and avoid unhealthy choices. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be ready, because with this meal prep we'll follow all the meals of the week. So this gonna be on the next video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Ciao ciao.